Since its invention, we have produced more than 6.3 billion metric tons of plastic. Sadly, 79% of all plastic ends up in our oceans, our streets, and even in our beer. The Premier League alone uses more than 6 million single-use plastic cups a year. And being a football fan, going to the stadium and having a pint or two with the lads shouldn't be the cause of a bad conscience. Even though 86% of football fans support the idea of reusable cups, the average season ticket holder still uses 136 cups per season. And although some Premier League clubs already have introduced reusable cup programs, we wanted to do it even better. So we chose the least sustainable football stadium, Everton's home, Goodison Park, and made them the most sustainable cup program in the league. We call the Cup for Climate a reusable collapsible cup that also functions as your seasonal ticket for the stadium, giving what once was just a throwaway piece of plastic the same value as a season ticket. We make sure that every fan never dispose of their cup recklessly and will use the same cup for the next match. In order to meet the fans on their own turf and create awareness of this programme, we placed 2 giant pillars outside Everton Stadium. One pillar that portrayed the average annual use of plastic cups per season ticket holder, and one with the average annual use with Cup for Climate, making it very apparent what the right choice is. Everton might not be the best team in the league, but they can be the best in the cup.